how to choose right art class for you. It's very, very, very important that first you need to understand all the art class is not for all the peoples. Art is the big areas. In that, like a lot of different division is there. Like portrait drawing is the separate interest area, separate things. Okay, mental art is different, charcoal drawing is a different. Okay, traditional art class, that is different. Like example, if a child is always drawing more into manga characters, anime characters, correct, any type of gaming or any Disney movie character, any characters, keep drawing more into these cartoon style characters, manga type, anime type, and this is called character sketching talent. Okay, like this you need to find what is your child natural talent and how much they have interest on to learn that particular things. Understand? So understanding this is very important, because based on that only you need to choose in the right class for them. If the child is always drawing, as I said, more manga character and all the things, if you go and put them into any traditional art class, they don't find interesting. Okay, they don't go after some time. After some time, it's like they will attend some few classes, they don't go after that, because the interest, natural talent, and the teaching, this both is not matching. It's not about the child problem. It's not about the teacher problem. It's about we are not choosing the right class for the child. That is the area. So you need to correct that. Repeating the point, we need to understand our child natural talent area. Based on that, you select the right class. That definitely the child will improve more faster. More than that, they will start learning it happily. They will create a lot of creative stuff more happily. We always will do mistake on this particular areas. Correct that. If you are not doing it, it's really amazing. Okay, if you are not aware of this, please check. How to check? See your child or drawings, collect your 5 to 10 works and see that, then you will come to know. Otherwise, you will collect these works, and when you are going to join the particular child into any classes, show those works to the teacher who's going to teach. I'm going to talk about that next point, and ask them, is that what talent this is, what area of art it is. Okay, so when you ask this kind of question, they will explain. Then you can able to take a decision whether that class will be right for them or not. Okay, cool. Second one is whom the child is going to learn. It's very important. Okay, suppose the child is like going to start this character sketching. Okay, so the person who is going to teach the character sketching, okay, really the teacher having lot of creating abilities and sketching skills or not. For that, you need to see the teacher work. You need to understand how well the teacher is doing that particular work, how much work the teacher is producing it continuously. Okay, so once you see that, then you can able to understand the teacher who is going to teach. The person is already in the flow, already is in the form of always sketching and doing stuff and all the things. So that particular person, if is going to teach your child will get more motivations. First of all, he is going into the right class. Second one, the teacher already is in the form. The child always will see the teacher work, will get a lot of inspiration. The child always will get more speed and more understanding how to draw this, like this will go into the more fast manner. Not only fast, they will enjoy. They are in the flow. Okay, that's very important. Because teacher skills, how to understand, you can ask them for demo class. Otherwise, you can ask them to show their recent work, maybe last 6 months, last 3 month works. Ask them, see the works, and if the child is getting, show the works to the child also. If they're getting more inspired, the child want to learn that particular things really the same way they want to learn, and it's matching. The wavelength is matching. That's very important. Okay, because age still for like example from age maybe like 1 to still 8 or 8 years. Okay, the child will learn a lot of things from their mom, dad, grandparents, uncle, whoever is the close relatives from them. Okay, lot of loves they will learn like this. The child will go for like age 9.5 or 10 to still 20 or 15 or 16. That particular age, the child need good connection with the teacher. Okay, so after that, the child need more mentor kind of stuff than coach kind of stuff. After 25, after 20, after that, they need for mentor. Okay, this is how we need to take the coaching supports, the teacher, the learning supports, the gurus, the master support. Okay, so the age when come to the 9 and 10, make sure your child have the right talent, what talent the child is having. Based on that, choose the class. When you're choosing the class, understand the master, the teacher talent also aligning with the child or not. Once you done this, your 90% job is done. Rest of the things will go really in the right way. You no need to worry about whether that like whether the child is studying from online offline. That's not the problem. Okay, how they're going to get feedback, attention, and all the things, that all things are small tiny stuff. These all things will be fixed when you fix these two things, these two, correct. The third one is how the child will improve. Attending the class regularly, that's okay, they will attend. The second one is the child also should take review and feedbacks from the teacher. How that will happen? Review means after completed the work which is happening, that is review. Feedback means like the teacher will tell what you need to focus to improve on your particular work. Two things. Review will happen based on the child work. Feedbacks will given by the teacher based what the child should focus so that they'll get improved. Two different things. Okay. In the class, okay, the teacher every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, this should be interactive classes. Then they should teach, and same time the child also should able to ask questions, not every single step, that is like too much. So every 15 minutes, every 20 minutes, the teacher need to allow the child to ask questions. I couldn't draw the ears properly. How we are holding the pencil like this to draw this ears line like this, correct? Like this kind of small questions answer need to be answered. That interaction should be there. Okay, that's very important. That's how the relationship will build. That's how like the doubts need to be get clarified on this particular class based on that particular topic. Okay, that's important. After completing the work, the teacher should see the review the work and give the feedback. The feedback can be any form, like through on spot, otherwise through videos, otherwise through text, anything is fine. But this helps where to focus. Understood? This helps the child to understand where to focus, because the lack of something they don't know, because they will be in the form of doing it stuff, correct? If teachers seeing the work and giving the feedback, that helps the child to improve that particular thing. Oh, this is the area I need to improve little more, then my work will come little more better. They will improve, their work will be improving little more better. They'll feel very confident, very happy. So they will understand this, like to achieve certain level from level A to level B, you need this much help, this much area we need to put effort and all the things, then you will get the result. Okay, the same things they will apply it on their study, the same things they'll apply it on the future, the job or personal life and all the things. Success comes based on when you have patience, when you have focus, and when you have creative mind, you will crack it anything, you will achieve all the things. So all the things will be learned through in one way in the art form. It is there in all the areas, but through art they will learn it more easily. Okay, if your child always sketching more manga type characters, anime type characters, or all type of cartoon characters, they want to draw more and more manga character and all the things, they learned all the things from YouTube, always seeing the reference and keep drawing it. If the age is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 20, still that much age 9 and above, then I'm offering 1 hour free character sketching mastery demo class. This is part of my character sketching mastery course. It's a 6-month course. Okay, I will discuss about this course details, batch starting timing, okay, and other XYZ, all the details in the demo class. Okay, in the demo class I will teach you what is character sketching method, how you need to improve on your art skills from the level 1 into level 2, level 2 into level 3, step by step. If you are really interested, if you are really serious, okay, if you understood whatever I told, if it looks relevant to you, click the link below and register for the demo class. If you already registered, attend the demo class